Hi, this is Busy Proud Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check how to view your Windows activation. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Although Microsoft allows you to use Windows 11 without activation, using a non-activate copy may not be the best idea as it restricts your access to certain key features and critical security updates. If you're unsure, there are several ways to know if your copy of Windows is active. So how to check it? It's very simple. So to check your Windows activation, you can just open your settings. You can select on your start menu. You can go to settings. So from settings, you can go to account. From account, I'm sorry, you can go to system. From system, you can just scroll down. You can go to activation. You can just select on that. So you can check the activation state. If yours is active, it means your Windows is activated with a digital license linked to your Microsoft account. If not, you can just activate your Windows activation. And also you can check what type your Windows using right now. Like mine is Windows 11 Home Single Language. And also if you want to upgrade your edition of Windows, you can select in here. You can change your product key and also upgrade uh, in the Microsoft app. It's very simple, right? So that is how to check your Windows activation on your PC or laptop. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.